Hello everyone. So today we're going to be covering section 6.2. As you can see, there's some definitions you'll have to read. As I do these examples, I will be referring to them. But let's go ahead and start on the first topic of the day, which is converting between radical form and exponent form. So the very first example, so the directions in this section, it says write the following as a radical expression. So let's do example 1. So example 1, we have x to the 4/7, right? And I want to rewrite this in radical form. How do I do that? I'm actually going to use the definition of a to the m over n. So correlating them, a in our case is x, so it's the base, and then m is the numerator of our exponent, which is 4, and n is equal to the denominator, which is 7. Right? So our goal here is to have a radical, like rewrite this as a radical. So if we look at this definition, I'm actually going to use the second one. So there's a middle step, so we are using the exponential rule, the power rule for this. So we can actually write a to the m over n, and that's equal to a to the m times, to the 1 over n. And then we'll get the nth root of a to the m. We can go ahead and write the last step right away. So this, since we want it to be the nth root of a to the m, what is n? It's 7. And then a is x. And then m is 4. Right? So x to the 4/7, this is the same as saying the 7th root of x to the 4th. Now on to example 2. So example 2, we want to do the same thing, but we want to do t to the 3/2. Right? So I want to write this as a radical expression. How do I do that? So this is also t cubed to the 1/2. Right? And then, so what's 1/2? That is the square root. So this is the square root of t cubed. Right? Again, we don't have to put 2 because when there's no number, it's assumed to be 2. It's like t cubed, we assume that the coefficient is 1, or just t, the exponent is 1. Okay? So this is our answer. If you'd like, for example 2, let me redo example 2. If you'd like, you don't have to show this middle step. You can immediately tell me that this is a square root of t cubed.